Jolly Belly, kedukan kaba pila ban yo lut iki jingdon kam ki ba man la kasni ki jongpi, badi ki marba mardi hagador kaba duna. Laru ban yo iki jhur ki jhep ki so ki pai, badi ki jaj do ba pher ya ki balawan ra na keleng karilom khasi. Kat ba pinang thi iki jingdon kam ki jongpi, pilaru ban e shipor ki khunrit ki jongpi, haka jakai le kai kabala bu kerpang na kabanta jongki. One room shagadukan Jolly Belly, but me da ka jinkmen. Ya ki jingtep ki bakam nya la ban yo da ka ba phone hau number nyo not san nriu pra san nyo but kndai pra nriu lai not lai nriu. Ka Shad Nongkrem ya ka BALAJIED PYNLONG man lo snem kala sedang ha ka khatwei TARIK NAIWIENG RYNGKAT ka jingle nyam POMBLANG ya ka BALAJIED PYNLONG ha phalau jong ka JINGSHAD sunon jong ka HIMA KHYRIM ka badon ha SMIT. Kani ka long ka jingle nyam le buram ha ka baya ka ngu ka dem la IT shaka lesen shar na ka banta ka jingyo alum ya ka rap karyang ka babha bat ka basay so bat kumjuru na ka banta ka bha ka miat bat ka roy ka par jong PAITBAH nong song hapo ka HIMA. Haka le nyam POMBLANG yaudu haka khatwei TARIK NAIWIENG la penyap ya uwei blang bat la terwa ya ukum ka jing aingu hau leishlong bat haki kpa kulong bat nong sensyar ka HIMA KHYRIM. Ki samla sotti kenthei bat kishenrang ki yashim bentaru haka Shad ka kemen ha RYNGKAT ka ksing ka dha bat ka surmelung jong ka tangmuri. Haka ni ka jingle nyam ba mentau snem la shem ya ka JINGIADON RYNGKAT jong Menteri RANGBAH ka jela u Konrad ki sangma ki nong mikmat PAITBAH jong ka jela bat kumjuru u PAIEM ka HIMA u PAIEM BALAJIED sing SYIEM. U Menteri RANGBAH du ka jela u lapen bana ya ka jing yarap na ka liang ka sarkar haka baya day bat ka jing penne pensa bat jing pen bha ya ka JINGSHAD bat ka jaka saudong jongka khnang ba on la ban khring shu ya ki riu jengo kai prathai shaka ni ka jaka ha SMIT.
On this occasion of Shad Nongkrem, I would like to wish all the people of our state of Meghalaya, especially our citizens from Khasi Hills, on this very auspicious day. And I would like to thank everybody for inviting me. I'm here today to witness a very important ritual called POMBLANG. And this is the first time that I have been in this ritual, and it just reflects and showcases our rich heritage and our rich culture of our people, and the fact that we need to preserve it and ensure that we do our best to maintain it, and that future generations can also learn from it. And that's why, after speaking to PAIEM and to the other elders of SYIEM of KHYRIM and all the other organizers out here and even our elected representatives, we have just decided that we will, from the government, we will give our support to develop this particular place where this ritual is being held for more than 100 years, almost 200 years. Ritual is being held in this very precise location, and yet there's not enough development to promote that, and also to attract tourists is not happening. So I'm happy to inform you also that I have decided that we will be supporting and giving infrastructural support out here.
Haka sngi khaddu jong ka Shad Nongkrem kata haka khat TARIK NAIWIENG hajar phuwei la PYNLONG ya ka Shad no kajat haka baka khun SYIEM jong ka HIMA KHYRIM kala sedang ya ka JINGSHAD haka LYMPUNG. Haka no phai sngi pat la yo ban SAKHI ya ka JINGSHAD jong ki thei sotti RYNGKAT baki khun shinrang ka HIMA ki baya tawyar ya ka LYMPUNG Shad hadu ka basep ka sngi. Haka bawai la don sa shisien pat ka jingle nyam POMBLANG ya ka bala yashim bentalang daki raj ba pher ka HIMA KHYRIM. Kitu ki bala ya don lang haka te ka sngi ki kenthop ya usembut Menteri RANGBAH ka jela uba Prestun Tensong u MLA ka Nongkrem constituency uba Lambor Malnyang u Lampang ka ying dorbar Thawan ka jela uba Metba Lingdo u SYIEM ka HIMA KHYRIM u Dr. BALAJIED sing SYIEM u SYIEM KHYNNAH ka HIMA u HABAPAN sing SYIEM bat kiwei ki KYNREM ki LYNDAN.
try kena nomor kau bau ai ya KHYRIM kamet pasang kena lagi pun ku dok di kun kirayot jong KHYRIM KHYRIM